Today we are gonna do a reset. I have tons of cleaning to do today and also a lot of laundry. I've been working a lot lately, so everything's been going downhill. My room. We're gonna go ahead and just make a to-do list on what we need to do. We need to do wash sheets because it's been a while since I washed my sheets. Do laundry. Clean bathroom. Nice vanity. Plan is to pretty much what I have to do today, so let's go ahead and get started. It is 10:51, so I want to get this done by 5 o'clock. Hopefully we can hit that goal. So I'm gonna put my phone somewhere where I cannot find. Right in here, my vanity, right there. Okay, it's in there, so we're gonna get started. It is almost 2025, and that is so crazy to think about. So we're gonna get our space and our mind ready for the new year, just because we don't want to go into 2025 with a messy space. So let's go ahead and get started with our cleaning. So this is what my room is looking like. Those boxes are Halloween decorations. They're staying there. And not too bad over here. Vanity area. Through the whole week, you know, kind of gets to be a mess here. So the way your space is looking is definitely a nice reflection on how your mind is feeling. So if your space is looking the way mine is right now, then this is for you. This is an inspiration to help you get up and get going and do a yearly reset, because we don't want to start a new year with a messy room and feeling overwhelmed, because I always feel overwhelmed when my room is a hot mess. So it is 12:54 right now, and so we're doing pretty good on time. I already have my sheets in the dryer right now, and I also have like second load of laundry in the washing machine, and I'm also working on my vanity, organizing it, cleaning it, all that good stuff. And it's gross outside. It is pouring down rain right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of a break, eat something. I'm gonna have a ham and cheese sandwich. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I'm starving. It's a very nasty day out today, but you know what? It's weird. It's winter time, and it's supposed to be 47, like in the 40s today here in Virginia, and tomorrow on Sunday is supposed to be in the 60s, I believe they said. I don't know if you guys can tell it's raining, but it's nasty outside. It's all gloomy. Peekaboo, I see you. We're gonna get some chicken with his dinner. Oh my goodness. Yummy. Yummy in your tummy. That's good boy. Shake. Take it. Good boy.
How can you eat it so hot?
So it is 4:29 p.m. and I am finished with everything. I still have laundry in the dryer going, but I'm gonna fold that tomorrow. But I've finished everything else. I finished with my bed, my vanity area, the bathroom, you know, all the stuff that we had to do today. But when I'm finished with everything, with cleaning, I like to top it off with a perfume, like spray it near my bed area, just so it can smell really, really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. This is what we're gonna do. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys what this perfume is. This is the Champagne Toast from Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. My sister gave it to me for Christmas. It smells so good. And now I think we're gonna do some skin. Since everything is done, my mom and I are going to do some skincare and relax, enjoy some drinks and dinner. Using the Acne Deep Pore Cleansing Wash. This is my absolute favorite face wash. Definitely helps out my face a lot. I know I'm freaking out at the moment, but it definitely deep cleanses my pores and everything. I can tell the difference. Right now, I'm just getting ready to relax for the rest of the night. It is like, I'm gonna say 6:30 right now. So I'm just getting ready for the night, actually. And the face wash is by Derma E. I love their products. Their products is really good. And you can find that at Walmart and Target, but it's better to find it at Ulta, to be honest. It's a lot easier. All right. But I love doing a face mask or my skin routine, especially during the nighttime. I don't always do it, but like at night, but day I do. But I love relaxing with a face mask. It's one of my favorite things to do. And the mask I'm using is the Cala Hydrating Essence Face Mask. This. I got this from Marshalls. And I need all the hydrating products that I can get, especially during winter, because my skin gets really dry. And I need all the thick lotions as well that I could get. Ooh. Please excuse my loud TV. And with this mask, you leave it on for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Watch a little YouTube while I'm relaxing with this on. So funny, but to be honest, clay masks are definitely my favorite kind of mask, but we are just gonna go with this tonight. But it does feel hydrating though. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes and go relax and watch some YouTube and chill for the rest of the night.
Down there, right. I'm talking to the doctors. I realize how much I have really not lived fully because of this. And I don't want to make it like there are so many people less fortunate than me. They don't have a leg, they don't have that.
Time to take this off. Oof. That felt good. Now you just have to rub in the excess. So guys, I cannot believe it's already gonna be the 2025 New Year's Eve. I'm hoping to have this vlog up before the end of the year. If not, then Happy New Year's. I hope you guys had a safe New Year. But if you see this before the New Year's, I hope you guys have a good New Year's, a safe one as well. Have fun, but be safe as well. What is everybody's goal, or what are the goals you want to accomplish in 2025? I wanna and what are some healthy habits that you want to add into your 2025? I'm using my toner. It is very important to use toner to bring back the pH to your skin. But some of the healthy habits I want to add is take better care of my hair is one of them. I'm not saying I take that my hair isn't terrible. I'm not saying that my hair is terrible, but I can definitely take a way better care of it than I do. So I want to take a lot better care of my skin, my hair. Drink a lot more water. I go from drinking a lot of water, doing okay with that, but then later I slack with it. I'm using the Acne Blemish Control Treatment Serum. I love this stuff. This helps dry out. What else do I want? I do want to hit 1,000 subscribers. I am 18 as I'm filming this right now. I only need 18 more to get to 600. So that is awesome. I want to thank you guys so much for the love and support. I do appreciate you guys supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me. When I can, sometime down in the future, will do a giveaway, just not right now. I work out a lot more than I do. I've been slacking on that a lot. I want to eat healthier, be more organized. And this is a new product that I got the other day when I went to Ulta after work. It is the Barrier Care Gel Hydro Dew Slime by Pacifica. And I already tried it the other day for the first time and I like it. It's really hydrating. Like I said, I need all the hydrating products that I can get during this time of the year. I love this lotion. It is a nice thick lotion and it is perfect for the winter right now. My skincare is this eye cream by No Baggage. It has caffeine in it, so it's supposed to help get rid of dark. That's pronounced. Oh, we shall see. I like how it feels though. It feels really, really nice. I'm just using a little bit here. I'm gonna let this dry a bit and I'm gonna add some pimple patches. I just recently started using this. Just got it yesterday and I like them so far. It definitely has helped to draw out some pus. But I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna put some pimple patches on. As you guys can tell, my skin is wet right now. So, yeah.